Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to set up Azure Databricks using Azure portal. So first I have to log in my Azure portal, and then I have to go and search Databricks. Once I come in Databricks, so I have option create Azure Databricks service. So let's create it. It will actually create a Azure database workspace. So I can use anything, like my resource will be data engineering. Workspace name is test databricks. Okay, and premium role trial 14 days from free video. So I'm going to use this free trial and then click next, and then I'm going to select no by default. Manage disks, no by default. Security by default. Tag is okay, and then create and review. So let's go. It's validating, actually validating succeeded. Now I'm going to create temp. So it's going to create and initialize my Azure Databricks workspace. It will take a while. So deployment is in progress. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Deployment is in progress, still in progress. Status is created, but let it be finished first. So wait for a couple of minutes more, please. So here you go, your deployment is completed. Now next step is either you can delete it or redeploy it or refresh it. So next step is we need to go to resources and launch workspace. So this is a workspace where we have a Databricks features we can see. Let me click on it, sign in. Here you go. So let me give you an overview of Databricks. We are using trial 40 days from Azure portal. This is a workspace, and by default the workspace we can see users, and this is a repo. If we have a CI/CD pipelines, we have a code, so nothing is here. But if we want to create a repo, so we have to go and create a repo here. I will teach these each and every aspect of the Databricks in later video. And then we have a catalog is like a database name. So we have a metastore, hive metastore, and we have a sample, we have systems related. So this is something like this, default, and no information, no data is here. So we will create a table views like this type of thing under catalog. Then we have workflows. In workflows we have jobs, the status of the jobs, if we have any jobs here, but we don't have any jobs here, so we are coming back. And then if we have a delta live tables, then we can see here, but we don't have yet any. Then we have a compute. This is the main thing. We will start first from compute. Okay, so we need to create a compute. We will, in next video we will create compute, and then we will start our hands-on things in Databricks. Now if we want to write our queries, we can use queries. We can create a query, we can view our saved queries here. This is our SQL editor. And then if we have any output like dashboard, we can go here and see dashboard. We can create our dashboard here. Then lot of things here. So I hope this is a good overview I am giving you. So that's it for the today tutorial. In the next video we will explore each and every object one by one in detail. Thank you very much for watching this video.